Joined now by head men's basketball coach Al Sakaitis, second-year head coach, as we head to the CACC quarterfinals against Philadelphia. Coach, you guys are winning 5 of the last 6 games, playing really well right now. What have you guys been doing right of late?
Well, I think it's a matter of the team maturing. You know, we early in the semester we added a few new players. We lost some players, and so it was having the team meld together and become a team. And I think the process has gone through, which obviously is helped by playing games and playing tough games, and we're becoming a real basketball team.
Last time when you guys played Philly during the regular season here in Waterbury, you guys lost by about 10 or 11 points. What did you take away from that loss?
Well, it was early on when we just added players, and I think, when we look back on the tape, one of the first thing our guys said is, Coach, we're not the same team, and I agree with them. We had a lot of defensive misses. We had a lot of offensive quick shots, things that we don't do as readily now. I think we're more cohesive. We understand what we need to do defensively and how we want to play together on the offensive end.
Finally, what are the keys to beating Philadelphia Saturday night and advancing in the CACC tournament?
Well, obviously, if we let Connolly get 35 again, it won't help us. No, we've got to stop their 2 perimeter shooters, and then Adebayo, the 7-foot kid, underneath is an issue. They are not a deep team in terms of how many people they play, but we're not a high pressure team in terms of how we play. So we've got to wear them down within our style of game. We have to have great possessions. We have to make them guard us, hopefully get to the free throw line, change up their lineup a little bit. And at the same time, I really think that one of the big keys will be just how we play together on the big stage, so to speak, because it's our first playoff game for this group.
Very good. Thanks for joining us, Coach, and good luck Saturday night.
Thank you very much.